So we discovered Redwood by doing a market analysis. We had two products. We had a automation tool and a MFT tool that we wanted to bring under the same roof. And we found that Redwood had that ability and also offered a SaaS offering for both tools. We really wanted to look at what our business processes do today, what we need tomorrow, and what might be thrown at us that we're not even accounting for. So we're prepared to assist the business in their needs. The big criteria for us was ease of use, simplicity, and of course the SaaS offering. For the Redwood implementation process, we did utilize Redwood's professional services, which was extremely helpful. They knew their product and what we needed to do and ensure that our processes that we're migrating would be accurate and not failing on us. The preparation for the migration really came down to separating things out to waves. We did not do a gigantic bang where we flipped the switch and had everything turn on. We all agreed to do managed waves. So we started with our least complicated processes and worked towards our more complicated processes along with criticality of those processes. So we started with less critical processes and ended with the more critical ones. That allowed us to get into the tool, kind of get familiar with it a little bit more before we had major critical things. With participating in the customer advisory board here at Redwood, not only was I able to meet with peers that deal with very similar things that I deal with, but also get their insight and bounce things off of them of how they do and operate. Also, one of the things I'm starting to find out and learn about is the enhancements and things coming down the road that Redwood is actually putting into their products so we can start planning to incorporate them into our processes.